Good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are doing good at home. Students, this is Priyanka Verma here and I'll teach you English second of class first. First of all, I'll show you the cover page of your book. So this is the cover page of your book, English second, English Mulberry. Okay, so today we are going to start the very first chapter of this book. So without any delay, students, you are requested to take out your Mulberry book and open chapter number 1. So students, open this page, page number 15. First I'll tell you the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is Inside Aisha's House. As you can see, one picture is given here and you are supposed to color this picture well. Okay, this is your homework, so do this work in homework. Okay, color the shapes in the shape house below. Now turn the page. In this chapter, students, we are going to read about the rooms of Aisha's house. Okay. Now let us look at Aisha's house and find out how she spends time with her family. As you can see, this picture is of her bedroom. Okay, so this is Aisha's bedroom. ये आयशा का bedroom है. Aisha loves to look out of the window before going to sleep. आयशा को पसंद है विंडो से बाहर झांकना सोने जाने से पहले. Okay, as you can see, one window is also here now. So she loves to look out of the window before going to sleep. Now come to the next room. This is the bathroom. Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. She doesn't waste water while bathing. So this picture is of her bathroom. Okay. आयशा ब्रशेज हर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. वो 2 times दिन में ब्रश करती है एंड शी डजंट वेस्ट वाटर वाइल बाथिंग. और वो वाटर बिल्कुल भी वेस्ट नहीं करती है जब वो नहाने जाती है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज एंड नाउ लुक एट द अनदर रूम ऑफ हर हाउस. This is the living room. Okay, this is the living room and here Aisha watches the best TV show, The Little Monkey, with her family. What she is doing? She is sitting with her family and she is watching her favorite TV show, Little Monkey, as we can see. Okay, now come to the next one. This is the kitchen. Aisha's mother and father make yummy food together. As we can see, her parents are standing here and they are preparing yummy food together. Okay, वो एक साथ यहाँ खाना बना रहे हैं. So this is the kitchen area. Okay, now come to the last one. This is the dining room. Aisha, her little brother Rinku, mother and father sit and eat delicious food together. Sometimes Rinku chew his food noisily, then Aisha shows him the proper way of eating. As we can see, the family members are sitting here and they are taking their food together. Okay, so this is the dining room. And her little brother Rinku, sometimes she chews his food noisily. Means कभी कभी आवाज़ करके खाना खाता है चिंकू. Means sorry, Rinku. Okay, then Aisha shows him the proper way of eating. और फिर जो आयशा है जो उसकी सिस्टर है वो उसको बताती है कि what is the proper way of eating food. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. Once again I'm telling you, this is her Aisha's bedroom, then it is her bedroom, then this is the living room, then it is kitchen area, and this is dining room. So tell me, how many rooms are there in Aisha's house? Total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 rooms are there in Aisha's house. I hope students it is clear to you. Now come to its exercises. So first we will do the quick answer. This one. Put a tick against the correct answer. What can you see in the bedroom? As you can see, two pictures are given here. One is of bed and the second is of tub. So you are supposed to tell what can you see in the bedroom. A bedroom में क्या देखते हैं, bed या tub? Of course, bed. So we will put a tick against bed. Next is what can you see in the bathroom? Again two pictures are given, wash basin and swing. So what we see? We see wash basin in the bathroom. So we will put a tick against the first one again. Now come to the next one. How many rooms are there in Aisha's house? Just now I told you. Right now, how many rooms are there in Aisha's house? Total 5. So we will put a tick against the second one. Now come to the next question. What does Aisha do when Rinku chews his food noisily? Put a tick against the correct answer. Students, here we are having 3 options and we are supposed to put a tick on the correct one. Okay. So she joins him and starts chewing her food noisily too. वो भी start कर देती है, उसको join करती है और वो भी ज़ोर से शोर करके खाना खाने लगती है. और she shows him how to eat properly. वो उसको सही तरीका proper way बताती है eating का. और she complains to her parents. या वो अपने parents से complain करती है. तो what she does? She shows him the proper way of eating. Means she shows him how to eat properly. So we will put a tick against the second one. I hope students still here everything is clear. Now we will move to the next exercise, page number 19. First we will complete book exercise and then I'll give you the question answers. Okay. Now on page number 19 there is exercise match the correct words to the pictures. It is very easy one, right? As we can see, this is the picture of sofa and where sofa is written? S-O-F-A, sofa. So we will match this word to the picture. Next is door, curtain and window. This is the picture of door, so we will match it with the word door. Next is cup and saucers, and where it is written? It is written on the third option. So we will put a tick against, means we will match it with the cup and saucers. And the last is, as it is the picture of table, so we will match it with the word table. Now you turn the page and page number 20. In this page one exercise is given related to naming words. First we will read about these naming words which are given here. Look at the pictures given below. The first picture is of cupboard, then it is cat, then house, then is school, then it is umbrella, cup, girl and boy. So these all are called the naming words. Okay. Now I am telling you what the naming words are called. Naming words are the name given to animals, places, things and people. Means the names which given to animal, places, things or people are called naming words. Okay. Now come to the exercise. This one. Circle the naming words in the following sentences. The first one is, the elephant wants a friend. Elephant is the name of an animal, na? So we will do the circle over it as it is naming word. Next is wants a friend. Friend, people name. So we will do circle friend also. So in sentence 1, there are 2 naming words, elephant and friend. Next one is the frog jumps into the pond. Again, we will do the circle over frog and then we will do the circle over pond also, because pond is the name of a place and frog is the name of an animal. Next is the lion sleeps in the cave. Again, lion is the name of animal and it is naming word, and cave is the name of a place. Next is children go to school every day. We will do the circle over children and then school, as it is a place name, it is also naming word. And then last one is the man with the drum is my father. So in the first one we will do the circle over man, then drum, and the last is father. Like this you are supposed to do the circle over only the naming words. Now we will move on to the next page. Now look at page number 21, and in this here we will read about the common names and an exact name. Okay, so first I'll tell you what the common names are. Okay, the common names are the name of people, animals, places and things in general. A common name does not begin with the capital letters unless it is the first word of a sentence. जो common words होते हैं बेटे वो जनरल होते हैं. मीन्स लाइक इफ़ यू आर अ गर्ल देन आई विल से शी इज़ अ गर्ल. तो गर्ल it can be any girl. Okay, I'm not taking the name. Okay, I'm not giving I'm not taking your proper name. Simply I'm saying she is a girl. So girl is a common name. Again, like boy is also a common name. Then it is dog, building, city, like this. And book also is a common name, because I'm not taking the proper name of any book, so it's also a common name. And what the exact names are? Exact names are special names given to people, animals, places and things. An exact name begins with a capital letter. And what the exact names are? When we give special names to the people, like just now I told you that she is a girl, but if I'll say her name is Priyanka, okay, so Priyanka is an exact name now, so it would be, and it also starts with a capital letter. Whenever we will write any exact name, so we will start it with a capital letter. Clear? So look at some examples of common and exact names. I'm going to read this one also so that it makes more clear to you. As we can see in this table, one side common names are given and the other side exact names are given. So first I am going to read the common names as girl, boy, elephant, dog, building, planet, city and book. These all are common names. Okay. And what the exact names? Exact names are Ankita, then Imran, Jumbo, Gofi, and Taj Mahal, Earth, Mumbai and the Jungle Book. These are the exact names, means the proper names. Now we will do the exercise that is related to this one. Okay, so you turn the page and come on page number 22. Circle the common names and underline the exact names in the short story given below. One story is given here and we are supposed to read it first, and then we are supposed to do the circle over the common names and we are supposed to underline the exact names. Okay, getting ready for school. Every morning I wake up, brush my teeth and take a bath. I get dressed and go downstairs to eat breakfast. As breakfast is a common, na, because we can take bread and butter in breakfast, and we can also take poha and sandwich also. Okay, so breakfast is common, so we will do the circle over breakfast here. Okay, my pet Momo wants for me at the dining table. My pet it is common. Okay, and Momo I am taking its a name now, so it would be exact, so we will do the underline over Momo. Waits me at the dining table. I like to eat porridge for breakfast. Porridge is the exact name. Okay, so we will do underline over porridge. For breakfast, again we will do circle over breakfast. Porridge makes me strong. Again we will do underline here, makes me strong. Rimi, my sister. Rimi is exact name and sister is common name, so we will do circle over it. Is younger to me. She loves to eat porridge too, so we will do again underline porridge. After I finish my breakfast, we will do circle over breakfast. I packed my bag just in time for Mr. Borret. Mr. Borret is exact name and our bus driver is common name, to take us to school. I hope students it is also clear to you. Now come to the next exercise. The word, this one. The word kite rhymes with the word white. Can you think of a word that rhymes with each of the words blue? Students, we are supposed to write the rhyming words of the given words. Okay. The first one is line. So we can write fine here. F-I-N-E, fine. Second is mile. So we will write file. F-I-L-E, file. Third is bite. The rhyming word would be kite. K-I-T-E, kite. And the last one is pipe. So we will write ripe here. R-I-P-E, ripe. Now students, look at the next page, page number 23. And this is also your homework. Okay, so do this page in homework. And what you are supposed to do here, paste photographs of your family members on the family tree below. Write their names below the photographs. Here you are supposed to paste the photograph of your family member and write their name below the photograph. Okay, now students, come to the notebook work. Now students, we will do the question answers of this chapter in notebook. Okay, so you take out your Mulberry notebook, classwork fair notebook, and there you are supposed to write these two question answers. Okay, I am showing you how you are supposed to write in your classwork notebook. So students, these are the question answers of chapter number 1. First of all, you will write today's date, that is 13/4/2020. Okay, and write chapter number 1, means lesson number 1, and then write read, reflect and write. Then you write question number 1. Do you like Aisha's house? Why or why not? क्या आपको आयशा का हाउस पसंद है? क्यों और क्यों नहीं? अगर पसंद है तो क्यों पसंद है, और नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं पसंद है. ओके, सो द आंसर वुड बी येस, आई लाइक आयशाज हाउस बिकॉज इट इज़ वेल मेंटेन्ड. मुझे आयशा का हाउस पसंद है बिकॉज इट इज़ वेल मेंटेन्ड, बिकॉज ये अच्छी तरह व्यवस्थित है. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. एन इग्लू इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ हाउस, सो इज़ अ केव. हाउ मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ हाउसेज डू यू नो अबाउट? इग्लू जो है बेटे, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ हाउस ना, और केव भी इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ हाउस. तो आपको बताना है कि आप कितने काइंड्स के बारे में जानते हो हाउसेस के. सो हियर इज़ द आंसर. फर्स्ट वन इज़ कैरावन, CARAVAN, कैरावन. देन इट इज़ फ्लैट्स, हाउस बोट एंड हट. Okay students, so these are the question answers, and you are supposed to do this work in your classwork notebook in good handwriting. Okay, so students, with this exercise we have completed our chapter number 1. You are supposed to do your work in good handwriting in book as well as in your notebook. And students, you learn all the exercises and question answers of this chapter well. I will meet you again in my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.